Hi everyone, and welcome back. If you or someone you love is managing type 2 diabetes or worried about heart health, you know the constant challenge: what should I eat? We've searched through the research, looking for a dietary strategy that doesn't just manage symptoms, but actively improves function in both areas. The science points to one specific combination of foods, a single meal that consistently delivers the most powerful benefits. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to reveal the #1 best meal for improving heart function and managing type 2 diabetes, and break down the scientific reason why its 3 main components are so effective. If you want to know how to use your plate as your best medicine, stick around. You don't want to miss this. Let's dive into our first key ingredient: fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These are powerhouses of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. Why are omega-3s so important? For heart health, they are phenomenal at lowering blood fats called triglycerides and stabilizing your heart's electrical rhythm, reducing the risk of arrhythmias. Crucially, they are powerful anti-inflammatories, which directly addresses the root cause of many diabetes complications. Chronic inflammation worsens insulin resistance, so by dampening it down, omega-3s help your body use insulin more effectively. Aim for at least 2 servings a week. Next up, let's talk about leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These vibrant veggies are nutritional superstars. They're packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps to dilate blood vessels, leading to lower blood pressure, a major win for heart health. Beyond that, leafy greens are incredibly high in fiber, which is critical for managing blood sugar levels by physically slowing down glucose absorption from your gut. They also deliver a huge dose of antioxidants, protecting your vascular system and your cells from the oxidative stress often associated with diabetes progression. Get creative and add them to every meal. Finally, let's shine a light on legumes: beans, lentils, chickpeas, you name it. These humble foods are incredibly powerful. Legumes are exceptionally high in soluble fiber and resistant starch. This combination is a game changer for both heart and blood sugar health. Soluble fiber acts like a sponge, helping to bind and remove LDL, bad cholesterol, directly benefiting your arteries. For diabetes, both soluble fiber and resistant starch have a low glycemic index, meaning they help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing digestion and can actually improve your body's insulin sensitivity over time. Plus, they promote gut health, which is the foundation of a healthy metabolism. So, when you combine these 3 ingredients, you create a meal that targets every major mechanism involved in heart disease and diabetes management: inflammation, blood pressure, cholesterol, and glucose control. Imagine a meal like a perfectly baked salmon over a bed of spinach and kale, tossed with a savory lentil salad. Remember, nutrition is the key pillar of health. By consistently integrating fatty fish, leafy greens, and legumes, you are actively choosing better heart function and superior diabetes management. If you found this information powerful, please give us a like, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share your favorite combination in the comments. See you next time.